You can just screw this template into place like this. Or you can actually just hold it and trace it, but that's sometimes a little bit easier. So you just trace this around here with a marker. Take these screws out of here. We recommend you put these back into this lap, just so that can't move. When you do that, you want to make sure that there's enough room for that orange trim, which I don't know if I did. Might not have. Just move that over a bit. Put some Plugz on to cut this. Hey Ralph, can you grab me one of those X-Acto knives? Yeah. That are on the wall there. Now that you got the jacketing cut out, just cut the insulation out. It's a little bit awkward because we have this just kind of set up on a table. It's a little bit easier if it's on an actual pipe. Push that in there. You can see that this fits in there nice now. I'll just screw this into place. So again, you can kind of bend this for the pipe contour, but we don't recommend you kink it to try and match up to the beads. So you can see a little bit of dips in this. That's completely fine. The cover will still seal perfectly. So now I'll just take and run a bead of caulking around here. So you can see it's still up a bit from the bead, but this will help clean it right up. You'll see when I'm done here. That screw's a little bit weird where I put the first one in, too close to where the trim is. So you can see that once you clean this up, it fits Perfect. Okay, we're just going to pop this into place. You want to just push this tight to one side and then push the other side in, and it just kind of dances back and forth and it just pops into place with ease. And just install this screw in the lanyard here. Give it a little bit of slack there. And you can see she's installed now. I'll do this one more time here. Push it tight. Push this end in. We have a couple more that we've installed into some corrugated sheeting, so you can see how the caulking just cleans it up. It's not a very big gap there.